All right, we're 2 weeks out from the Create Wow Summit. I'm in the boardroom or the war room here. Maybe it's called the Wow room. The team ran out of whiteboards, so we had to switch to the post-it notes on the wall method. Really exciting stuff. Great keynotes. We got one session that is a 411. It's 4 11-minute TED Talk style interviews led by Teresa Bazemore. So very excited for that. We went from one product, Social Survey, to this platform, and we did it by listening to you. And so while we have this learn session, we also have this create session. It's our extreme listening session. And so we have Social Survey and Social Monitor and Social Workforce. I'm excited to see what we build next. So we're going to debate it. We're going to get together, do some homework before the conference. Are we going to do listings management, or are we going to do social marketing? Really excited to see what you vote on. We're going to do a keynote session. We're going to put customers up. We're going to debate it. You're going to get a voice. And then we're going to vote. We're going to see which product we're building next, which one you think is most important. We're actually going to do some other breakouts where we're going to get into a room and we're going to focus on what's the roadmap for Social Survey? How should we prioritize that roadmap? What else should we build for this new Social Monitor product? And how should those be prioritized? Anyway, really excited to get this thing kicked off. Looking forward to seeing you this September 5th through the 7th at the Create Wow Summit here in San Ramon, California.